Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to hope this goes through the right way this time, because I think I recorded it sideways the last time. So I'm going to need more coffee. Like, oh my god. I call it Samsung gymnastics, anybody that knows me or anybody I've talked to. Like, recording with this little gooseneck thing with Samsung. Quite interesting and quite fun. You know, you cause an earthquake every time you move, like you shake the camera. Sorry. I'm still going to upload the video that I did with the ornaments. But I'm also going to show you one of these pine cone things with glitter. I want you to glitter, 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 glitter. It's our Dollar Tree extended video. So you can do red. So you can make little pine cones with the kids. Everything in this video is Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree, DIY, baby. So that is so cute for an ornament. I'd probably do the bottom because it's just cute. I'm going to try it with gold. I actually have other ornaments that I want to show you again because I'm going to cry because I think that video uploaded goofy. So I took one of these dead light bulbs, painted them up, painted them lovely, painted them, painted them, painted them, painted them, painted them, because that's glue. I'm going to try, I wonder how gold would look. Don't forget, pop this little thing out. Or like I said earlier, in the thing. And let me get the other side. And just sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. So you can turn your blue ornament to a different color. These are actually old bulbs one of my coworkers gave me. I said in another video that I think I recorded sideways. I'm so upset. I hate that when it happens. But give me a break, guys. I'm learning. And I'm tired. And I do Samsung gymnastics. That's what I call it with my phone. Samsung gymnastics. To try to get angles and the shoot right and the light and, you know, all that stuff. Someday I'll get a camera. But my phone camera's pretty good as long as, you know, I have enough sense to shoot the right way. So as you can see, oh, pretty. How pretty that is. Oh, yeah, you're going to see the blue because I have my hand down here and I don't want to glitter myself to death. But you could use like, just to hang it up for now. Move it up a little bit. I'm trying to twist it without ruining it. And then I'll put some more glitter up there. You even could, like if you wanted to, because I'm goofy, I'm going to let the glitter kind of drip down a little bit. It would have been smart to let it dry. But it's going to make a neat pattern. I'm going to maybe throw some green on it. And you don't realize there's blue under there. So you literally can use it with any color. And you've got glue. And the more you roll it around, the more he'll mix around. So it's another ornament. No, my little ornament stand's getting a little busy over here. Hence why I'm doing Samsung gymnastics right now. And I have an earthquake because I'm trying to put them to the little table. Let's see, I made Christmas balls and I stuck bells in them, which that's in the other video. I hope it didn't come out stupid sideways. So as you can see, shove your bells. I think your kids are going to get a kick out of this. And I think that you have patience and you want to make something for your patience. It's kind of neat. I got glue and glitter everywhere. Like, that's just me. I'm making a mess. Good goodness. I'll wipe that off. I have glitter. Actually, I have glitter on the bells, which is really cute. That's giving me now it's giving me another idea. Put some glitter in the bells. Put a little glue on them and then I'm gonna put a little glue on one bell. Let's shake it up in there. Because then, that's kind of neat. It's going to get the glitter. It's going to get the glue in the inside. And it's not going to be a glue mess. So, what color are we going to do? I'm going to sprinkle some gold. I think I'm going to do some gold. So, as you can see, let's get it before it dries. You're going to have glue on the inside of your ball. Oh my god, that's so neat. And you can do it many different colors. Actually, I'm going to test my limits to this one with the green because the glue is going to dry soon because there wasn't a lot of glue. And then you have a ball with bells. And you can literally make them. Like, I know tomorrow I'm going to do the candles. Definitely going to do the candles. That's such a cute little bell. It's a cute little ornament. And I have drying. Unfortunately, I'm not trying to drop it in my coffee. I have, there I go with Samsung Gymnastics again. I have this one that I made in the other video. He's almost dry. And I have the one that I made with the snowball. But I want to show you one. Sorry, my arm's in the way. So I'm going to show you this one. We're going to just, well, first we're going to take it out the package. We're going to get this one. Now that I got glue all over it. Good job. We're going to take this one. And we're going to paint it with this Mod Podgy stuff. Because we're just going to make one completely snowball, crystal, white with the Epsom salt. Because it's really kind of neat. You got to try it. Yeah, I'm listening to the news and they're talking about, well, now we're not getting snow. And how my Eagles really lost bad. Like, it was a shame. I was like, hold your head down, sister. Like, that's bad. Anyway. So, this is the Epsom salt. I'm trying to move my hands out the way. It kind of looks almost like a snowball. Like, if you had a couple of these ornaments and they went downward, you probably could make a snowman out of it, which, as I sit here, I'm giving myself ideas. So, that is adorable. And if you put, like, a little food coloring in the Epsom salt, like, I put there's a little glitter in there. I'm certain it'll stick on. But this is uber cute right here. You can have a whole bunch of these. And then if you want, like, maybe tie ribbon on them. At the top, or like, what is that called? Yeah, like get a little bow, like a little piece of ribbon and tie it on there. It'd be so cute. Like, I love these ornaments. And I'm even thinking that you could make them, sorry, again, the gymnastics over here. You could even make them, like, I think it'd be so cute. You put, like, you can put all the different colored balls in them. Let me see if I have one. I don't have a small piece of ribbon, but you could take the ball and, like, literally put different things in them. I have another one. I'm so about to make another one of these. I really like this. This is cute. So we're gonna do it again. It's so cute. This is really fun for kids because it's kind of messy, but it's not. But it is. It'd be nice if I held it over the glue and not over the Epsom salt mixture. But you really can do this. Like, a lot of people are like, I can't do that. I don't know how they made that. Okay, well, I'll try to figure it out. In the meantime, be positive and think that you can do it, because I can do it. And this, your kids can do. So it's definitely not, you know, high skill level. Your kids can do this. And I think your kids will have fun. You're going to have a lot to clean up when you're done. Anyway, I made this video because my girl, Pure Life Mom, I told her I would make a video. I wish she was here to help me clean right now. I told her I would make a video for, she has kids, and I thought this would be kind of like a little fun thing for her to do with the kids and make ornaments. And so shout out to her. Everybody go check out her channel. She's a maze boss. She cleans and stuff. Like, I really need her assistance with this. Anyway, so shout out to her. She's on her road to getting up to 300. Everybody go like, subscribe, love, show her page some love because she needs some love right now. So get my girl. And I wanted to do this for her so she can figure out some ways to make some ornaments for her kids and grandparents' presents and stuff. But the kids will love this stuff. All right, guys. Another video in the books. But I don't know if the other one recorded right or even this one recorded right because I'm bass backwards when it comes to filming right now because I'm tired and I'm moving the camera all different ways. And, yeah. All right, guys. Love you. Thank you for your patience. Have a good night. Don't forget, hit my girl up, Pure Life Mom. Pure Mom Life? Pure Life Mom. I'll put the link somewhere. I have to find it. I'm going to get her to comment on the video. Something is going to, I'm tag her. I'll figure it out. All right, guys. Smooches. Good night.